Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 249 East Shore Drive, located in Coventry, Rhode Island. This is a unique 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-family home located at a dead-end lot. Very private, unique destination, one in a million. And we'll start by checking out the front of the house. So, off the bat, like I said, you're at a dead-end lot, so very private location. You've got a gorgeous, lush environment all around you, surrounded by trees and woods. And no close by neighbors, so very quiet as well. So that's a huge plus. On top of that, lots of off-street parking. You've got essentially two driveways. So I would say, yeah, parking for up to 4 cars, no problem at all, off to the left and right over here. Well, let's go ahead and actually enter the house and start from there. So as you enter through this front entryway, it leads straight into the kitchen area / living area. We'll kind of be looking at the kitchen side first, and then we'll move from there. So welcome. So, upon entering, here we go. So, kitchen space. You've got this nice little island set up right here. Large, wide open countertop. Lots of cabinets down below as well. And as you further enter, you look off to the left side. Lots of additional cabinets up above and below all the appliances. Again, wide open countertop space over here as well. A couple of outlets for any kitchen plugins. A gorgeous tile backsplash as well. And all stainless steel appliances. We'll check those out in a second. All right, so as far as the appliances go, you have the single bin stainless steel sink. You also have the stainless steel dishwasher, the glass top stainless steel stove and oven, the stainless steel microwave right up above, and the large size modern stainless steel refrigerator. Fantastic. And again, this kitchen's really all hooked up. But to kind of keep going forward, let's check out the living space that you have next. So it is connected to the kitchen area. You have a laminate wood flooring throughout most of the house. But in this living area, you've got the glass sliding doors that lead to your private deck and the backyard, which we'll look at next. You also got this fireplace off to the left side. It's workable. You can use it at any time. Got some nice lighting above it too, very decorative. And another thing I'd like to point out, the ceiling's very unique as well. You got like this cabin style ceiling up above. Really nice, looks great, gives this house a nice unique feel once again. But flipping around, we'll check out this side over here. Lots of outlets, perfect area right here for an entertainment system, TV, what have you. Also got the plug-in AC that will come with the unit. Fresh coat of paint looks great. Additional closet space over there. Awesome. So, it's initially your living area and kitchen space. Next, we'll go through the glass sliding door over here and check out the backyard. So first and foremost, got this gorgeous private deck right here, and it houses some awesome views. Once again, large fenced-in backyard, lots of opportunity back here, and it leads further to a private dock that you got in the back, right in that corner over there, which then leads to the lake that's right next door to you. Gorgeous views once again. I mean, really unique. You're not going to find many properties with this kind of setup. So that's that. As we head on inside, just to kind of point out, you also have a jacuzzi hooked up and ready to go. It is for tenant use, so that will be here upon move-in. All right, back inside into the house. We'll be checking out the rest of it. So first up is the first bedroom. This is located right next to the refrigerator. So first thing to note, this bedroom does not have a closet space, so just keep that in mind. But again, same laminate wood flooring you saw in the living area / kitchen area. And this room could probably be used in a multitude of ways. You could, of course, end up using this as a bedroom, perfect for a standard to full-size bed set. But I could also end up seeing this maybe used as a office space. You got a lot of outlets for electronics. You end up hooking up a desk in here. It's perfect for that. But this is essentially your first bedroom. Cool. Go off to the right side. This is kind of leading to the rest of the unit. Got this hallway right here. Leads to the master bedroom and the first bathroom and the second bedroom. So we'll check out the second bedroom off to the left side over here. Same laminate wood flooring once again. Beautiful fresh paint. Got a gorgeous light fixture up above. And again, this is kind of the same story as the first bedroom, except this bedroom actually does have a large closet space off to the side. So you'll most likely end up using this room as a bedroom. Again, standard full bed set's perfect. but I could end up seeing this being used in a multitude of ways as well. So that is your second bedroom. Next is the first bathroom. So this bathroom again is located right in the hallway. Got a gorgeous tile flooring, beautiful little sink area right here. Nice granite countertop for that sink. A couple of cabinets underneath. Large mirror vanity up above and some decorative lighting. Cool. And right across from that is your modern stand-up shower. Awesome. All right, so that's the first bathroom. Last but not least, we'll be heading into the master bedroom, which does house its own full bathroom. So this bedroom has plenty of space for up to a queen to king bed set, no problem at all. Gorgeous blue paint throughout. Got a nice decorative light fixture, chandelier-esque. So that's really cool. Wide open window, lots of sunshine. Again, awesome lake views once again through these windows. So definitely gives this master bedroom some beautiful views. And yeah, so that's essentially what you got in the master bedroom. Real quick, I'm just going to show off that you do have your own closet space in here, which is housed right in this corner. And in the other corner is your second bathroom. So you got a laminate wood flooring, different style than the rest of the house. You got your sink area off to the right side. And you have a full tub in this bathroom. Hooked up and ready to go. Perfect. So once again, this is 249 East Shore Drive in Coventry, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.